Hello. So I have no accelerator on my computer, so I'm trying to go fast. So here it says enter anime name here. So if I type in, NAR, it'll start giving me this, and then I can add them to my favorites by clicking here. And then, yeah. I also have a seasonal search. So this is very similar to my assignment 2. If I put like, 2020, and then I put like spring, and then I add these to my favorites here. These will get added. So if I go here, you'll see that I have all my anime saved here. So if I were to stop running it by clicking this, hopefully it will come back quickly along the way. Okay, I've not even used a minute yet. Awesome. Please spend some time to load. Ooh, 6 seconds. Okay, awesome. Okay. Okay, so I can probably talk about some of my error checks as well, and then I'll try to talk about my code. Anyway, so, oops, I clicked search by accident. If I go to here, you'll see that the list is still there that I had from before. So as you can see, it has persistent storage. And then I will go to my checks. So if I type nothing, if I have no letters here, it'll give me an error, an alert. If I put in anything below 3 letters, because the API will not be able to search for anything below 3 letters. So if I put 2 letters, it'll say, hey, don't do that. I need at least 3 letters. So if I go here to my seasonal search, if I put anything in here that's not a number, and I click search, it'll say, hey, that's not a number. So it has to be a number. And then if I put anything here that's not one of the 4 seasons, I put that. So I'm one of the 4 seasons, so like spring, summer, fall, all that stuff. If I put like spring in, you already saw that this works. And then, yeah, I have a button here to delete. I can also swap the rating, so I can put this anime up, so now it's in the 3rd spot, everything switches. I could swap it all the way up to the 1st, then I can't push it up anymore, of course. That would crash the thing. So anyway, yeah, thank you. Thank you for listening, or for, oh wait, no, I have 2 minutes left. So let me talk about my code. So I'm going to here. So here my code, what my service and components. So I'll talk about my services. I think that's the most important one. I'll talk about here. So here is my array of favorites, like my favorite lists. So this gets stuff from the database. Here is my database service, which I'm using Ionic storage, because I couldn't change to Cavador. I'm using a capacitor project. And yeah, and then I'll talk about my service for the API, which is here. Here's my API service. So pretty standard stuff. How much time do I have left? 40 seconds. I'm just gonna go talk about the main page and how the API calls works in the main part, just my main page in general. Here's the back code, has some alerts, search functions. Yeah, so, and also same thing with my seasonal search here. Yeah, so I have the API calls. In my search, I do my API call stuff, all my checks, and some alerts. So thank you for listening. Goodbye.